Want to troubleshoot audio issues in Windows 11? Here are some fixes. Fix the audio driver. For this, press Windows plus X key combination and select Device Manager. When the Device Manager window opens, click on Sound, Video and Game Controllers drop-down. Double-click on each of the components and check the status to see if the device is working properly. If that's so, close the window, else you'll have to update your driver. You can double-click on the audio driver, click on the driver tab and then click on Update Driver. Next, follow the on-screen instructions. In case the audio problems occurs or intensifies after updating the driver, you can click on the Rollback Driver button and restore the driver to the previous version. A more accurate, effective and error-free way is to take the help of a driver updater tool like Advanced Driver Updater. For that, download, run and install Advanced Driver Updater from the link mentioned in the description box. Click on the blue-colored Start Scan Now button. Look for the audio driver and click on the checkbox located towards its left. Click on the Update Driver option. Second is to fix the audio services. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R key combination. In the text box, type services.msc and click on OK. In the Services window, ensure that the status of the following services should be running and their startup type is set to automatic: Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and Remote Procedure Call. The last is to run Playing Audio Troubleshooter. For this, click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select System. From the right-hand side, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, see the Play Audio option. Click on the Run button next to it and select Next. Give feedback if needed and close the window. Do let us know in the comments if these methods helped you fix the issue. For more such engaging and informative videos, subscribe to Tweak Library.